Hey, it's Rob. Welcome to Axel's Garage. Out at Axel's East. We knew this was going to happen. You saw some clips of Steven's new ride. It's a 2005 Chevy Avalanche. He hasn't named it yet. There's a lot of hecklers today, but Steven was thinking about naming it something Indian, which we don't understand why, because Avalanche is an Indian, but he's calling it...
It's because it's an Avalanche.
Avalanche, so it's French or it's Indian, I don't know. But
we picked it up in the rain, so it's rainwater.
But the previous, yeah, so, and it was raining when we picked it up. Anyway, we got the Avalanche. You saw what it looked like. We threw a set of wheels and tires on it. I'll take you around and show you them.
Wait, don't show the truck, the other trucks. That's a big release truck right there.
So, it needed a better stance, and we would just, while we were waiting to start working on it, we were hitting Facebook Marketplace just looking to see what was there. Really weren't looking hard for a set of wheels, and boom, these happened to pop up last weekend. So we went and we bought them on Facebook Marketplace. They're just a set of wheels with they're 18-inch wheels with a negative, what was it, 12 or 18, Mark?
Negative 18.
Negative 18 offset, so we brought it out 2.7 inches from what a stock factory wheel would have been that you saw in the video that we just played, and they give it actually a much better look. So it's about even with the outside of the rear fender and the front fender over here.
So you got to get the angle. You got to
over here. So
angle.
and they look pretty good. There was a set of used tires on them. They're about half their life. Anybody wants to know, these are the wheels are 18-inch diameter, 10-inch wide. It's a negative 18 offset, and the tire size is a 275 60 18. So that's what it'll look like if that's the kind of tire that you're going for on the Avalanche. It's an LT, Lawrence Taylor version, Avalanche. Leather interior, huh? It's got a leather interior. It's got some sweet wood grain stick-on stuff that we're gonna peel off, I'm sure. It had chrome stick-on door handle cover things, and we peeled them off already. It had armor all over all of this. You could still see. We bought this about 2 months ago, maybe 3 months ago, and washed the crap out of it. And it's been outside ever since. Today's the first day we brought it in, and there's still some armor all left. So we got to get all this greasy armor or whatever they had on it. You can see it down here on these panels. Whatever they put on it to make it look nice, to get it ready for sale, is just a greasy mess. We're gonna clean that back to its faded gray original, and then we're going to put a coating on it, and of course we're going to take you along that ride as well. But we just wanted to show you Steven's Avalanche, which he has not named yet. So in the meantime, while he's away at school, we backed it in. This did come in under its own power, had no brakes. That was because Mark and Steven broke the brakes on the test drive before we actually bought it. They blew a brake line. All the brake lines were shot in this thing. Brake lines are rotted, training lines are rotted, so we're replacing all that. And while we're at it, we're gonna fix the exhaust leak. So the exhaust leak, turns out it's the manifold bolts that have broken that need to be extracted from the head. So while we're at it, we're pulling the engine out. We're gonna reseal it. We're gonna put a new rear main on it. We're gonna put a new front seal. We're gonna put an oil pan gasket, oil pump, just get it buttoned up nice for him. And we'll take you along for the ride. So far, we just got it back in. We started taking the top half and the front apart in order to remove the engine from its home. So this is Steven's vehicle to replace Wanda, and we're gonna have to do a little Axel's Garage rebuild on it, and we'll take you along every step of the way. As always, thanks for watching.